Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Westminster Council Tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westminster.gov.uk/council-tax. Then press enter and you will be taken into the official council tax website for the city of Westminster. Now from the homepage, scroll down and you will find the login to your council tax account option. Click on this link and this will open up the login portal where you can sign into your account. Start by entering your email address or your username, whichever one you prefer to use, and then within the password box type in the password that you have set up while creating your account. Then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your account on the Westminster Council Tax Department right away. In case you have forgotten this password, click on Forgot Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials using your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Westminster Council Tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.